My name is Rick Gualtieri, and this is another installment of Tales of a Middle-List Author, which I hopefully try to dole out some useful advice to those trying to break into this industry. In this installment, what I'd like to talk about is doing your homework or doing your basic research, not necessarily story related. In short, Googling the basics. I preface this by saying last year there was a bit of a minor scandal in which a fairly well-known author posted on her Facebook page, basically telling people, "Don't email me asking, what order of my books. Just go to Google." And that caused like a minor bit of a firestorm because, taken in context with her page, it probably wasn't that big of a deal. She was known for being pretty direct, but taken out of context, as the internet likes to do, caused a bit of a firestorm. Bottom line is, you probably shouldn't do things like that to your readers. If you're getting emails at all, be gracious, reply to them. Quite frankly, you know, I've never been so busy with anything that I didn't have time to send somebody back something. Quite frankly, if you get that busy, write a quick template where you can just copy and paste it. Or, quite frankly, if you're getting so many emails from people, hire an assistant. But that's neither here nor there. This is primarily aimed at writers, once again doing their basics. One thing, there's a lot of really good writing groups out there. A couple of my favorites, the Kboards Writers Cafe, the Indie Authors group on Facebook. There's plenty of other places on Facebook, Goodreads and such. These are all places where authors, both new and experienced, can join, discuss the trade, ask opinions, ask advice, and that's all great because I find that the writing community is a pretty close-knit one. We're pretty happy to to see other people succeed. It's not like we're selling refrigerators where somebody's going to make that purchase once a year. We're selling books, so hey, if somebody wants to buy somebody else's before mine, that's great. Maybe when they're done, maybe they'll look at mine. Maybe this week, maybe next week, maybe a year from now. So competition is really not a bad thing in this industry. That being said, what I notice is there's a lot of really basic questions that come up that are worrisome because they just show a lack of really just doing the basic homework. And we're not talking along the lines of, "Hey guys, I'm working on my blurb. What do you think of that?" So that's perfectly fine. But I mean, really, stuff like, what trim sizes does CreateSpace allow you to print on, or where do I actually upload my book for Amazon? Things that, quite frankly, could be answered in 2 seconds with a Google search. And the reason I'm saying this is that it's not that you're going to be shamed or shunned or or other authors are going to look down at you. But I can guarantee when when you ask questions like that, people are kind of doing a little bit of an eye roll because, quite frankly, if you're not willing to do even the basic legwork to just learn a little bit about this industry, that kind of puts us into that spot of saying, well, where are you gonna go? We can't hold your hands the entire way. And once again, that's not to say questions are bad. It's really just to say, get your basics down. First of all, if you join a new board, read, because there's a lot of these questions have already been answered before. You can do a search, read through archives, all of that stuff. 2, once again, Google is your friend. If you go to Google and you and you ask, okay, what margin should I put? Does Ingram Spark require me to put for my books at 5x8 trim? And you can't find that. Maybe you've searched 3 pages deep. There's no problem. Go to a board and ask it. And typically in that case, I'd say, hey, I looked on Google. I can't find it. Maybe I'm doing a search wrong. Anybody know this? Nobody's going to have any problem answering that. But once again, a basic thing of, hey, I have a great story, but I have no idea how to write it. We're going to be like, well, okay, what do you want to do with it? Where do you want to go with it? And if you have no idea how to write, how do you know it's a great story? So really what I'm just saying is, when you're starting out on this, first things first, turn to Google, because also, let's face it, it's going to be faster. You could ask a question on these boards. It could be a couple minutes, could be hours, could be days before you get an answer, or you might not get an answer at all. Whereas a quick Google search could probably tell you this in 5 seconds. Done. Move on with your life. So that's pretty much it on that subject. Once again, these are great places to be. A lot of advice to be had, and a lot of friendly people. Really, just saying, do a little bit of the legwork up front, because quite frankly, you'll save yourself the time and effort, and well, look a little bit less like a doofus. Anyway, This is once again Rick Gualtieri, and this is another installment of Tales of a Middle East Author, and I hope to speak to you soon. Thanks.